If we have this function here, we know that the gradient function is just going to be each one differentiated individually and them added together. So the x cubed differentiates to 3x squared. For the minus 4x squared, the 2 drops down in front. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, and reduce the power by 1, but we don't normally write 1. Considering now the 6x, we know this is 6x to the power 1. The 1 would drop down in front, giving us 6x and drop the power. And of course x to the 0 is 1, so we just get plus 6. The constant term, minus 10, we know will give us 0. But just to explain this again, this is minus 10, which we can write as minus 10 x to the 0, since x to the 0 is 1. 0 comes down in front, multiplying the minus 10, and of course 0 times anything is 0. So a constant term always disappears.